Hi there, my name is Luke from Dynamic Creative. Today I'll be taking you through how to install the DC Google Shopping Ads app for Shopify and how to integrate your website with the Dynamic Creative ad platform. Firstly, you'll need to open up the Shopify App Store and ensure you're logged in with your Shopify store. You can find us by searching for DC Google Shopping Ads. Click on our listing and you'll be taken to our App Store landing page. Here, you can find out more information about DC Google Shopping Ads, how it works, and what plans are available. Once you're ready, click Add App. You'll be taken to the app install page where you can see permissions and what data we'll have access to. We access your product data to be able to create your Google Shopping Ads and check that your product data complies with Google's policies. Once you're satisfied, click Install App to connect to our ad platform. The first step after connecting is to sign into our platform with your Google account. We'll use this email address to keep you updated on progress during integration. If you don't have a Google account, you can create one at this point. Once you've signed in, your product data will begin automatically downloading. By installing our app, you bypass the need to enter your website and e-commerce details listed above this step. As mentioned, this product data is downloaded to check your compliance with Google's policies and to give you a preview of what your Google Shopping Ads will look like. Depending on the size of your inventory, this could take a matter of minutes or a few hours. Once your data has finished downloading, you'll receive an email to the address you used to sign in. Once the download is complete, you'll see a preview of your shopping ads and we will begin checking your product data. Once again, you'll be notified by email when the policy checks have been completed. Feel free to navigate away from this page and log back in with your email address at any time. Once your data has been checked against Google's policies, all three steps will have a green tick. By scrolling down, you can see the results of the policy checks. Here, we have a warning that an attribute has been truncated for being too long. No matter what warnings and disapprovals you may have, we'll help you to work through them and understand your issues. Once reviewed, you can move to plan selection. Through the Shopify App Store, we have 3 plans available to you, including a free plan. The plans vary by service level and ad budget, ranging up to $6,000 a month. If you're looking to spend more, contact us and we'll help you find a more appropriate plan. For the purpose of this demonstration, I'm selecting our free plan with up to $1,000 in ad spend, allowing me unlimited shopping ads and campaigns and creating a new Merchant Center, Google Ads and Analytics accounts. You'll then be asked to enter your contact details so that we can contact you during our onboarding process and set up an account for your business. At this stage, you'll be given an opportunity to link your Google Merchant Center, Google Ads, and Google Analytics accounts. As we selected the free plan, however, those accounts are created for us. To be able to connect your own Google Ads account, you can revisit the plan selection step and choose a paid plan. After that, your part is done. We'll begin configuring your Google accounts, finalizing Google Merchant Center checks, optimizing your feed and product data, publishing Google Shopping campaigns, setting up conversion tracking and remarketing tags, and applying Google Ads settings in line with Google's best practices. We'll then be in contact to organize a launch meeting to get you started growing and scaling your business with Dynamic Creative.